Alright, you guys, I've got a Tesla Model Y here, and I've got a heavy-duty Tesla car cover. And I'm going to show you what it looks like and how it fits and how easy it is for one person to put the car cover on. Alrighty, so I actually unfolded it. Not that great, but I unfolded it. But what I want you to see is that right here, the label there says front, and you see this area here is actually mesh. So we know that actually has to go in the front part. The other thing is that the straps, I'm going to use the straps to actually move the car cover over the car like that. So it's going to go from here to here. So from driver's side over to passenger side. Incidentally, the bag is a good size bag. There you go. And the car cover really just kind of folds like a fitted sheet, like a big fitted sheet. So I'm going to just drape it over. You'll see me drape it over. I'll speed it up so that it doesn't take too long, but you'll see what it looks like here. And there you have it, you guys. Super simple. I think it probably took me around a minute. The other thing I want to show you is how easy it is to charge the car. So let's go over there and I'll just show you what I'm talking about. So there is a little pocket here. And there you go. So you can expose the charging port. And there we go. super duper easy. Let's go around the car so you get a chance to look at it. I like that it's nice and tucked, just like that. Beautiful. The straps fit underneath there nicely. Let's go one more pass. There. I like that it's nice and tucked there. Let's go over here. Just to show you around. Alright, looks pretty cool. Let me show you the front. That's the side. The one thing I really like about this is that this is nice and thick. It's nice and thick material. It's a heavy duty material. There are pockets for the side view mirrors. The pockets really work if the side view mirrors were kind of open, but when they close, they're still covered. It's totally fine. And it's just a very nice material, very heavy duty. So definitely like this guy. There's the mesh that I was talking about. So good stuff all around.